In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between the light and dark themes on Trello. Whether you're working late at night or just prefer different aesthetics, knowing how to easily toggle these themes can enhance your experience and productivity. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Trello on your preferred web browser and log into your account. If you haven't already, make sure you have your credentials handy. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the Trello interface. There, you should see your profile avatar, which is your launch pad for accessing personal settings and customizations. Clicking on the profile avatar opens a menu with several options. From here, we'll be looking for sections labeled Settings, Appearance, or something that implies theme or display options. This is your gateway to changing how Trello looks and feels, so feel free to explore these options when you have more time. However, for now, let's focus on the matter at hand. Once you find the section that handles appearance or themes, you'll have the option to choose between a light and dark theme. Switching to the dark theme is especially useful in low light settings, or if you experience strain on your eyes after long periods of bright screen exposure. Conversely, the light theme is great if you need a clearer, more vibrant display during the day. If you encounter options like Use System or Follow System Theme, selecting these will synchronize Trello's appearance with your device's current theme settings. This is handy if you prefer consistency across your applications and have a system-wide dark or light mode set up. And here's a great perk. When you make a selection, whether it's light, dark, or following your system's theme, the change happens instantaneously. Trello doesn't require a restart for these changes to take effect, so you'll see the new look right away. This seamless transition can be particularly beneficial if you're in the middle of a task and need to alter the display for better focus. These simple steps can greatly enhance your Trello experience by allowing you to personalize and optimize the visual display to suit your needs. Remember, adjusting the theme is all about creating an environment where you can work at your best. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials designed to make your digital life a bit simpler.